Come on, Pookie. Go for a swim. Come on.
It'd be good to have this angle when you see your face flop in. Really scary logs, Emma.
Go on.
There she goes. Oh, we're both doing the dog paddle, yes, sir?
I'd say. I mean, with a little help from our friends on Imagine, we get back on.
Good girl, yeah!
Pookie.
Good girl, look at Puppy. There she is.
Hey, Pookie.
The star of our show.
Here she comes again. What goes around comes around.
Great.
You gonna try it again, Pookie?
You might be a little tired.
Oh, go on. Try one more time.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
There's the Pookie. Pookie's wet.
You had some good exercise, Em.
Go on.
Exercise.
Go on. One more time.
Go.
Whoops, it's wet.
And come on. There she comes. There's my good girl.
I have to put the other back on the camera. That waterproof one.
Yeah?
Then you could take it.
Yeah, that would be good.
Come on, Pookie. You can do it. She should be able to learn by herself. Pookie, so good.
It's the day out with Emma.